Hi, my name is Ezekiel, your messenger bot guide. What if I told you that you can automate most of your interactions with your customer, regardless of what online businesses or services you're offering? And that's not all. You can get all of these features and much more for as low as $9.99 a month. Or you can try it for free using our free trial. Sounds good? Then this video is for you. Now, with Messenger Bot Flow Builder, you can actually do it, and I will show you one of the components we have on our Flow Builder, which is the audio component. Then I will walk you through how to use it from scratch so you can get an idea on how you can use it on your own. Before we begin with the tutorial, I would really appreciate if you can like, subscribe, and share this video. Now, let's go to our Messenger bot. For us to be able to access our Flow Builder, just scroll down here. Then, look for Bot Manager. Once you click it, you will see these options. Then, for you to create a Flow Builder or an automated chat for your Facebook page or your Instagram business account, just select this Bot Flow Builder here. Now, as you can see, we still doesn't have any flow created. Now, for you to create one, just click Create New Flow here. Then you will be prompted with this section here. Now, here are all of the components for our Flow Builder. But for this tutorial, I will discuss how to use the audio component here. Now, audio component, you can send audio files to your customer. It is best used if your services or your product is about sounds or music. For example, you have a podcast channel, then you can set here on your Facebook page a preview for your podcast channel here. Then send the audio files to your customers so they can preview your podcast episodes here. Now, I will show you how to create one from scratch. Then at the end of this video, I will show you a demo on how the bot works. Now, every flow will start with this Start Bot flow here. Now, we need to select a trigger. You can select a trigger keywords here or an action button here. Now, an action button is a button that the customer can click. Then the trigger keywords is the keywords that the customer, once they typed it, the bot will be triggered. So for this video tutorial, I will first use the trigger keywords. Now, just double click this trigger keywords here. Then you can enter here or type the keywords you want. Let's say if the customers typed hello, the bot will be triggered. There. Also, don't forget to connect it in the trigger here. Just drag and drop it here. There. Now let's name this bot flow here. Let's say it's an audio component demo. There. So, let's try to put a text message for the customer to read here. Also, let's just connect it here again. Then double click the text component here. Let's say this is the message the customer will receive. Let's say, thank you for visiting my Facebook page for my podcast podcast The Buzz. There. You can also click the typing on display here and click the name of the customer, so the bot will address the customer here. Then click done. Now let's put another text component here. Then let's say, please select the episodes previews here. There. Now let's put buttons here. Let's say we have 2 episodes here that the customer can preview. So let's name the button. Let's say listen. No, preview episode 1. You can also select the button type here. You have call us, user location, anything here you can select it. But for this tutorial, I will just select the new post back here. Let's also fill up this second button here. Now let's just name the new post back as post back here. If you have a sequence created, you can also select it here. But for now, let's just leave the sequence blank. Now here, we can use the audio component. Now, just double click the audio component, then upload the audio file you have on your hard drive. There, then click done. Now, let's just connect it here. Now this is the audio the customer will receive once they click this button here. So let's just finish this second part here. There. Now we're done. Now you get the idea on how to use the audio component. Now I will show you how it looks like when someone message your Facebook page here. So let's just click save here. There. Once it's success, just click back. Then you will see your created flow here. Here you can edit the flow, delete it, and also export the file here. Now, let's go to my Facebook page demo. There. Now I will try to message this Facebook page here. So as I remember, we put our keywords, our trigger keywords as hello. Then once we type that, the bot should reply. There. Now here are the buttons that we have set up. We can preview the episode 1 and the episode 2. Just click the episode 1. Then the bot should send us the audio file. There. Hi, this is a audio component messenger bot demo. Great. That's all for today. I hope you guys learned a lot from this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or comments, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. And please do subscribe in this video and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when new videos comes out. Okay, let's wrap things up from here. I wish you guys a very wonderful day. Bye.